हम हैं राही प्यार के, हमसे कुछ न बोलिए। हम हैं राही प्यार के, हमसे कुछ न बोलिए। हम हैं राही प्यार के, हमसे कुछ न बोलिए। जो भी प्यार से मिला हम उसी के हो लिए, हम उसी के हो लिए। जो भी प्यार से मिला हम उसी के हो लिए। दर्द भी हमें कबूल, चैन भी हमें कबूल।
मुझा साईं ताकि लख लख वाधायूं हुजनि तव्हांजो बर्थडे जो। ॾाढी ख़ुशीअ जो ॾींहुं आहे अॼु, पर दुनिया भॻवान करे सभु सुख जो चौधारी। मुंहिंजी इहा ई मन जी तमन्ना आहे त सभु ख़ुशि हुजनि, सभु ख़ुशि हुजो सदा ई सदा ई। गॉड ब्लेस, गॉड ब्लेस।
Wish you a very 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 happy birthday mama and many 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 more to come. ताज बर्थडे मनायो स्पेशली। अॼु मां मिस थी कयां मामा तव्हांजो बर्थडे। मां हुते अची वई आहियां, मूंखे एॾो मज़ो आयो तव्हां वटि, एॾो मज़ो आयो। तव्हां अॼु बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट कयो, असांखे फ़ोटो मोकिलियो मस्तु। अॼु आंटी खां स्पेशल डिश ठारायो पंहिंजे लाइ ख़ासि। ऐं बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट कयो, ख़ुशि रहो हमेशह, पंहिंजो ख़्यालु रखो जीअं हमेशह तव्हां रखंदा आहियो। हमेशह ख़ुशि रहो। And once again wish you a very 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 happy birthday mama. We miss that party. हिते मिलंदासीं तव्हांखे, असांखे पार्टी ॾियणी आहे।
आयो ख़ुशि आहियो, जनम जूं वाधायूं हुजनि लख लख। मुंहिंजी आसीस आहे तव्हां सदाईं ख़ुशि रहंदा। हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Hi Kaka, many many happy returns of the day. May God continue to shower His blessings on you and your family. You continue to have a very good health, peace, prosperity. Best wishes to you and your family from my side and Chinky. Once again, many many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday to you from Mummy, Dolly and Anjali. Hope we soon meet in India as soon as lockdown gets over.
Happy birthday Mama.
Mama, happy birthday.
Happy birthday mama.
कहिड़ो हाल अथव मामा? ठीकु आहियो? सनु बर्थडे जी वाधायूं हुजनि लख लख। बाबा जी दया थींदे सदाई ख़ुशि हुजो। फोन करे ज़रूरु ॻाल्हाइजो।
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिल ये गाए। तू जिए हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। हैप्पी बर्थडे।
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday Sanu. All the very best.
Happy birthday Mama.
हैप्पी बर्थडे अंकल, लख लख वाधायूं।
हेलो जीजा जी, ख़ुशि हुजो, ख़ुशहाल हुजो, न विसो न यादि हुजो। मस्त उहे ॾींहं उल्हासनगर जा ऐं बॉम्बे जा यादि था अचनि। अब के मिले कब मिलेंगे। ॾाढा तव्हांखे मिस था कयूं।
घाटकोपर जाम मिस था कयूं अंकल, जल्दी अचो इंडिया।
Hello mama. Wish you a very 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 happy birthday and many 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 more to come. तव्हां अॼु पंहिंजो बर्थडे मल्हायो मामा सभिनी ॿारनि सां, ऐं फ़ोटो मोकिलिजो पक। ऐं पंहिंजी तबियत जो ठीकु रखो, ख़्यालु रखो। एंजॉय योर डे मामा, टेक केयर।
हेलो जयसवाणी साहब, तव्हांखे जनमॾींहं जो लख लख वाधायूं, करोड़ करोड़ वाधायूं हुजनिव। तव्हां मज़े में आहियो न सभु घर में? सभिनी खे नमस्ते ॾिजो मुंहिंजी।
दादा सतनाम साखी बर्थडे जी वाधायूं अथव दादा।
Happy birthday uncle, have an awesome day. I remember आप दिशा को टेस्को लेके जाते थे और कस्टर्ड क्रीम बिस्किट आपने उसको खाना सिखाया था इतने साल पहले, मुझे याद है। अभी आप जिब्राल्टर आ जाओ प्लीज।
हेलो हैप्पी बर्थडे अंकल। हमारे देवानंद अंकल, तुम जियो हजारों साल। अंकल बोटल एंड मी both are waiting for you. Cheers. Jiyo hazaron saal.
How are you? So nice to remember you on your birthday, and really I don't know how many years completed. More than 80 years, I believe. But I tell you, you look so young. I remember one incident when you came to our house. You know, our neighbor came. Then you were looking so young. Actually, she asked me, "Who's he?" I understood she had some marriage proposal for you. It was really funny. We told her he's married, he's got kids. And you were that time also more than 60, 65, 70 maybe. But you see, that's the thing about you. And you are such a lovely person. What to tell you? I mean, your whole family. You are also one of them. So I remember a lot. But then the video will be too long if I tell you everything. But this was one incident I remember about you. Second thing, when I used to come to Bombay, you were working at Dadar as assistant inspector of works. So when that time I used to come without ticket, you won't believe. Of course you will believe because I was coming to you. Then I used to come to your house. Your office was on the 4th floor of the Dadar, just below the staircase. I used to come and ask you to take me out of the station. You used to always help me. I used to come. Yo, ॿी ॻाल्हि तो यादि ॿुधायां, तूं ऐं दादर वो जॾहिं मूंखे सॾु कंदा त तव्हांजो सॾु करण जी स्टाइल हूंदी, पहिला चए I mean, this is what, I mean, calling was with love. I mean, you could feel that somebody is calling with your love. I mean, what to say? But now again, we wish you a very, 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 very happy birthday. Wish you a very long, happy and healthy life.
Even I remember an incident. First time when we came to your house after our marriage, it was probably in 1974. That was the first time I met Manu, a very jovial girl and good natured. We had come to attend a marriage in Bombay, but we stayed with you all. You said we are feeling uncomfortable, shy and not having anything, but I told you, if you remember, that I don't feel I have come to my in-laws' house. I felt I have come to my parents' house, and that's the comfort level we had in your house. Thank you for everything.
Third incidents I tell you that when you were in Jhansi and Agra, that side, I had that time hobby of collecting the view cards and picture postcards, you know, like in Bombay you have Forget of India, Marine Drive, Hanging Gardens, some landmarks of Bombay. Like that there used to be booklets. There used to be booklets for these type of picture postcards. And I used to write, you send me some booklets, picture postcards of your side, Agra. Then you sent me that by post, because that time that was the only source of communication. But I felt so happy. I mean, what I tell you is that it gives a sense of belonging to each other. I mean, we don't feel you are a relative or something like that. I don't know how many times came to your house. That time we were not telling that I am coming to you or giving that. As a matter of fact, we didn't have a communication and used to land in anybody's house at any time. Feeling that it is I am going to my own house. That was a feeling when I used to come. And I was feeling so comfortable anytime. That's love. That's life so far. Now it's your more than 80th birthday. I wish you all the best. A long, more than the long, healthy life. That's what everybody needs nowadays. Very happy.
पेन है डीज में हमारे को, लेकिन रखो भगवान के ऊपर सब चीज़ ठीक हो जाएगा. Hope to meet you, Sally, in India. Thank you.
Hello. Hello. How are you? Happy birthday to you. आपको बहुत 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 बधाई हो जन्मदिन की। और आपके मेरे को बहुत से याद आते हैं दिन जब मैं शादी करके आई तो मैं अम्मा आप इधर मेरे घर आती थी, आप उसके साथ जाते थे और मेरे को चिकन वगैरह बनाना बिल्कुल नहीं आता था। आप जिस विमल अंकल और आप चिकन के बहुत शौकीन थे। दादा बोले आज इंदिरा चिकन बनाएगी, आप खाएंगे। मैंने चिकन बनाया, आपको बहुत पसंद आया, मेरे को बहुत खुशी हुई। तो मैंने फर्स्ट टाइम चिकन बनाया है और आपने बहुत अच्छे से खाया और बहुत बहुत मेरे को कांग्रेस किया, बहुत अच्छा बनाया। आप हमेशा इधर आते हैं, हर साल हमारे से मिलते हैं, बहुत खुशी होती है। भगवान का लाख लाख शुक्र है, भगवान का लाख लाख शुक्र है कि आपकी तबीयत पहले से बेहतर है और तबीयत ठीक हो जाएगी। भगवान हमेशा आपको खुश रखे, सुखी रखे। एंड में हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Salma, wish you happy birthday to you. I am wishing you happy birthday on behalf of my family members. मुझे याद है जब मैं सर्विस करता था बॉम्बे में, तो आपने मुझे बोला इसे बॉम्बे में क्यों रहते हो, मैं कलर में रहता हूँ, मेरे पे आशा कर रहे हो। तो घर में पूछा, बोला ठीक है। तो 8 महीने मैं आपके घर में रहा कलर में। इट वॉज ए लवली टाइम, फैमिली एटमॉस्फेयर, राजू, बीना, बालाजी, पुष्पा सब एक फैमिली जैसे थे और वे वेरी गुड टाइम। रात को ये गेम खेल रहे पड़ता कि खुशी हो ये कुछ गेम है। आप मैं बालाजी रात को एक बज जाते थे गेम को खेलने के लिए। बट इट वॉज गुड टाइम। और एक बात थी जो मुझे याद है, हमारे पास एक मजदूर था रामचंद्र मिश्रा, उसको हमने नौकरी से निकाल दिया तो ही कुछ फ्रॉम। वो बच्चा मेरे पास आया कि कुछ मुझे जॉब दे दो। तो मैंने आपसे फ़ोन में बात की कि गरीब रामचंद्र मिश्रा और आप इसमें बुझे कर सकते हैं क्या? आपने हाँ जल्दी पेमेंट भेज दो, करीब भेज दो, और आपने कल से उसको रख दिया। आप जब थाने में काम करते थे तब 1-2 बार मैं थाने में आया था, तो आपने बोला अर्जुन थाना में आ रहे हो, खाना मत लेके जाना, मैं यहाँ टिकट मंगाता हूँ, साथ में खाएंगे। वेरी लव टाइम, आई वॉज हैप्पी। अभी आपकी तबीयत ठीक?
नमस्ते अंकल, it has always been a great pleasure to meet you. You are one of those few persons who are so pure at heart that anything that you say, even if it means how you beta is like dil se bol rahe hain uncle. And it has always been a pleasure to meet you and auntie and everyone in your family. Our Diwali is never complete without your call. I don't remember there has been ever any Diwali where you have not called, irrespective of whichever part of the world you are in. So we always wait every year that you will be in India and you will come to meet us. And we really wish you for the great wonderful person you are, a very happy, healthy and wonderful life just like you are. Happy birthday.
Hello uncle, a very happy birthday to you. No words can express the love and care you have always showered on us. May God give you a healthy and long life. Hoping to see you all soon. Thanks, take care.
Happy birthday mama, all the way from Michigan. Gogu and family sending you all the love, all the blessings, all the best wishes. Many, many more to come. Enjoy your day. Bye.
Hey Papa, आप जियो हजारों साल. Papa, you are the backbone of our family, Papa. We love you so much, Papa. I've always admired you so much. There are so many things to tell about you, but I'm going to tell 2 main things which you have always inspired me. Number 1 is that you have always given importance to education, Papa, and you are exercise freak. You have always treated me like your daughter, Papa. I'm so proud of you. We all love you, Papa. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Papa. Happy birthday to the most intelligent person I've ever met in my life. Papa, you've always taught us what is right, what is wrong, what is right, what is wrong. And the same thing I do to my children as well. I hope I've done a good job and you'll be happy. Papa, you have given us everything. Thank you so much for all the love, support, and you've given us everything, whatever you had in your life, you have given to all the children. Thank you so much, Papa. We all love you. Wish you a very, very happy birthday, Papa.
Many, many happy returns of the day. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Papa.
Happy birthday, Barry Papa. I hope you're doing well. Thank you for always being an inspiration and a role model for our family. You always put us on the right path, you always kept us focused and determined, and you always pushed us in our studies. I always remember that growing up, whenever we were going to school in the morning, you'd always come out and say goodbye to us. And this is just one of many memories that I'm never going to forget.
Happy birthday, Nana. Hope you're doing well. We just wanted to thank you for being such an amazing inspiration to us with your discipline and your work ethic. Just from the beginning of your day with your yoga and your breathing exercises to the end of the day when you come back from work, from a long day of work. I think you've shown us that as soon as we get up, we should always give our 100% in everything we do. And also,
we miss you
and we hope to see you soon.
हैप्पी बर्थडे नाना, कैसे हो आप? कैसे चल रहा है आपका मस्त फिटनेस रेजीम और योगा? यू नो व्हाट नाना, आप एक अच्छा सा लाइफ का टीचर हो. Maybe the most important lesson you taught me was that above all this materialistic desires, health is more important. Health is wealth. जन्मदिन दी लख लख वादायु और तुम जियो हजारों साल. Om Saram, Om Saram.
Hi Papa, many happy returns of the day. It is such an amazing thing that we all are making videos for you, and I really want to see the look on your face when you see all these videos. So Papa, what I would like to say is, I have really loved the way you have lived your life. Lived your life with absolute discipline. Which you have your fixed time to get up, you have your your yoga, your exercises, your breakfast, and also your drink in the night. And this has been like this since I've known you. So I'm really happy the way you live your life. I wish I could do something like this. Have a discipline in our life as well. You have been always you've been a hardworking person all your life. Absolutely, since I've known you, right from the Sion days, you have been working so hard to ensure like happiness for everyone around you, and you have always been like a father figure to me, and I really adore that, and hope you have a great time, a great birthday. Enjoy. Cheers.
Hey Papa, love you Papa. Papa, I thought this time you will be here celebrating your birthday, but as because of these extraordinary circumstances you couldn't come. But in few months I'm sure you will be here, and next year we'll celebrate it together. And Papa, I don't know, in a minute I can't sum up to what you are to me and to everyone here. We love you Papa. You're the most caring, you're the most loving person. I think I must have not told you, but you are really very caring and loving Papa. And one thing I should learn from you is that though you stay so far, you keep in touch with everyone, you keep asking me about everyone, you are so caring, you keep telling me how's everything, and you're very helping Papa. Have a nice time Papa. Even though we are not there with you, but we are there in spirit. We all are there with you in spirit. And enjoy yourself and enjoy seeing all the videos. Everyone loves you so much. Everyone has said such good things about you. I'm so proud to have a father like you. Love you Papa. See you soon.
Hi Nana, happy birthday. I hope you have a lovely birthday today. I was just thinking about the memories I've made of you over the years, and whenever you've come to India. And I think one of my favorite memories is you and I were sitting at home and there was palak paneer for lunch, and I, as usual, only ate the paneer because who likes palak? But you and I were, I think, watching TV, and I obviously left the palak, but you forced me to eat all of it. And I hated the taste. I hated it so much, but you forced me. You were like, no, you're not going to leave a single bite of that palak. So I ate it all. And now actually I eat all the palak all the time, and I think it's because of you. So I really hope you have an amazing day. You have been an amazing grandfather, and I really have so much to learn from you and from how fit you've kept yourself over all these years. Like, it's amazing to see how you have done this. So thanks so much, Nana, and I hope you have a fabulous birthday, and I miss you loads and can't wait to see you again. Love you.
Happy birthday, Papa. Many, many years to go. Hip hip hooray.
Happy birthday, Dada. Congratulations, 1 year older now. I hope you have a great day. Enjoy your birthday.
Happy birthday, Dada. Much love. Miss you so much. Take care. Much blessings, much blessings.
हम आज अपने पीछे प्यार का जहां बसा के चले, कदम के निशान बना के चले।
आसमां के नीचे हम आज अपने पीछे प्यार का जहां बसा के चले, कदम के निशान बना के चले।
Happy birthday, Uncle! All the best!
Happy birthday, Dada!
Happy birthday, Uncle. Babaji always bless you with good health and happiness. हमेशा खुश रहो and life enjoy करो.
Happy birthday, Uncle. Happy birthday, Uncle.
Happy birthday, Uncle. मूं तव्हांखां लाइफ में जाम कुछ सिखियो आहे. I really admire your disciplined lifestyle, and it's been a great inspiration for all of us. I wish असीं हुन मां थोरो बि adopt करे सघूं ऐं पंहिंजे ॿारनि खे सेखारे सघूं, and it'll be the best thing we could ask for. मूंखे बस I'm just waiting for this हाणे लॉकडाउन ख़तम थिए ऐं तव्हां मासी सभु हिते अचो. Let us all celebrate your birthday together, and I wish you all the best, Uncle. Have a really great fun, and cheers, Uncle. All the best.
Hello, Mama. Wish you happy birthday, and all of us here wish you have a great and happy and healthy year ahead, and I hope to see you all soon. And this song is dedicated to you from all of us here.
Mama Radhaswamy, many many happy returns of the day. God bless you. सभिनी असां सभिनी जे तरफ़ां ढेर सारो प्यार. बाबा जी ब्लेसिंग्स हमेशा गॾु रहनि. सभिनी ॿारनि जूं ब्लेसिंग्स हमेशा गॾु रहनि. Stay healthy, stay blessed. Enjoy your day.
Hi Mama, happy birthday from Shobha, Vijay and Piyush. Be healthy, be stay inside, and Baba ji blessing हमेशा रहेगी Mama. Radha Swami.
Kaka, many many happy returns of the day. Many more to come. God bless you. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ritik Jaswani.
Happy birthday, Uncle.
Rajvi Jaswani. Happy birthday, Uncle. Many more to come. God bless you.
Yeah.
Hi, Sanu. Happy birthday. Have a great year ahead. I admire the kind of patience you have, always in touch with all of us. Have a great day.
हरिओम अंकल, तव्हांखे जन्मॾींहं जूं लख लख वाधायूं हुजनि. जल्दी इंडिया अचो अंकल, असां तव्हांजो इंतज़ारु वेठा कयूं. ऐं अची करे ॿारनि खे आशीर्वाद ॾियो, ॿारनि खे आसीस अची कयो। हरिओम।
Hi uncle, Sangeeta here. How's you? First of all, wishing you many happy returns of the day. Stay blessed always. Have a fabulous day and a fabulous year ahead. Do take care of your health. Missing you and love you a lot, uncle. And once again, happiest birthday to my dearest uncle. Bye. Take care. See you soon.
वरी बंद तो थी वञे पोइ चालू रही। हेलो मामा, हैप्पी बर्थडे। हैप्पी बर्थडे।
हैप्पी बर्थडे मामा।
हैप्पी बर्थडे मामा।
हैप्पी बर्थडे मामा। Mama, many happy returns of the day. May you live a long, happy and healthy life. Mama Tanya, you of course have always been inspiration for all of us. नंढे हूंदे खां तव्हांखे ॾिठो आहे मामा, तव्हांजा उल्हासनगर में पकोड़ा वठी ईंदा हुआ, अंब मोकिलींदा हुआ। वी रिमेंबर दैट एवरीथिंग। सायन में रहंदी हुअमि मां जॾहिं, तव्हांजो हिकु नाइट या कॾहिं त मां ॾिठो तव्हां राति जो वॉक पिया कयो हॉल रूम में, फ्लैट में अंदरि। That habit has still stayed with me till now. So, most important fitness routine which I follow almost every day is taken from you. So, we all love you. Be healthy, be safe, be happy. Live a long life. God bless you.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday dear Papa. Happy birthday to you. पापा आप हमारे लिए बहुत बड़े इंस्पिरेशन हो। आप जल्दी जल्दी आ जाओ इंडिया, हम सब धमाल करेंगे। हैंडसम गुड्डा।
दादा जल्दी जल्दी आ जाओ, जल्दी जल्दी आ जाओ, सदाई खुश रहो, पंहिंजे हलंदी हलो। आएगा अपना दिन आएगा, कोरोना जल्दी जाएगा, दादा जल्दी आएगा।
Hi Nana Ji, how are you? I hope you're doing well. We just want to wish you a very happy birthday from Reni, Prema and Yash.
Happy birthday.
Hello uncle, how are you? Wishing you a very happy birthday. Have a great time. I have the sweetest memories with you. I still remember that you used to take me to the fish market in Bombay to pick up my favorite prawns and my fish, and then we used to come home, we used to cook it and we used to eat it. So I have so many lovely memories with you. Hope you have a great birthday, good health with prosperity and lots of happiness. Love you lots.
Many happy returns of the day, Mama. How are you, Mama? God bless you.
नमस्ते दादा, केड़ो हाल आ? ठीक आयो? हैप्पी बर्थडे।
हेलो दादा, आप ठीक होंगे? मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे। कम सून इंडिया, विल मीट अगेन।
मैनी हैप्पी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द दादा। कम इंडिया, टेक केयर।
हेलो दादा, कीअं आहियो? मां तव्हांखे ॾाढो यादि थो कयां। हैप्पी बर्थडे। हेलो दादा। हैप्पी बर्थडे। दादा कीअं आहियो? ठीक हूंदा? मां ॾिसी सघंदो? मैनी रिटर्न्स ऑफ द डे।
हैप्पी बर्थडे दादू।
Hello Mama, hi. Happy birthday Mama. Many happy returns of the day Mama. Please take care of your health. Have a long, healthy and wealthy life Mama. तव्हां पंहिंजो वीडियो मोकिलिजो बर्थडे जो। टेक केयर मामा। बाय बाय मामा। विश यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे अगेन।
नमस्ते अंकल, विशिंग यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे।
मम्मी बात करेंगी अंकल आपसे बर्थडे के दिन।
सन्मुख कीअं ठीकु आहे न। जन्मदिन जूं घणी घणी वाधायूं हुजनि। साईं तव्हांखे वॾी उमिरि सुठी सिहत सभु तव्हांखे ॾे। बाक़ी त जेको आहे सभिनी हंधि साॻियो ई आहे। बाक़ी साईं तव्हांखे वॾी उमिरि ॾे त सुठी सिहत बि ॾेव। इहा असांजी कामना आहे तव्हांजे लाइ।
मम्मी तव्हां जेको चओ पिया, तव्हां जेको यादि पिया कयो कि पाण में घणा भाउर।
अॼु मां हिननि खे पई चवां सोनू अर्चना खे, मां जॾहिं मां BSc जी डिग्री वठणु वई तॾहिं सन्मुख हलियो मूंसां गॾु। मां उन सां गॾु ई वई हुयसि डिग्री वठण लाइ। ये पुराणी ॻाल्हियूं आहिनि। भाउर भेनर जे विच में कॾहिं केरु विसारे नथो सघे। ॿार भले केतिरो बि परे हुजनि पर दिलि जे वेझो हूंदा आहिनि।
हैप्पी बर्थडे।
हैप्पी बर्थडे। जन्मदिन जी घर में बाक़ी संगीत ॿार सभिनी खे तव्हां सभिनी खे वाधायूं हुजनि असां सभिनी जे पारां।
हैप्पी हेलो अंकल।
Hello uncle, wish you a very very happy birthday. Good wishes to you always.
A very happy birthday, a very happy healthy life to you, and I look forward to meet you soon uncle. I still remember God bless you beta, so hope we meet soon with a very very happy birthday and loving wishes to you uncle. Take care, God bless, lots of love to all at home. See you, bye.
दादा सदा साल खुश हुजो। 100 सालनि जा थियो। तव्हांजे जन्मदिन जी वाधायूं हुजनि। असांजी इहा ई दुआ आहे।
हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू दादा। खुश रहो, सदाई आबाद रहो।
बार बार दिन ये आए, बार बार दिन ये आए, आप जियो हजारों साल, ये मेरी है आरज़ू। Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear uncle, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, happy birthday to you, happy birthday dear uncle, happy birthday to you.
Wish you a very very happy birthday uncle.
चांद को चांदनी मुबारक हो, चांद को चांदनी मुबारक हो, फूल को खुशबू मुबारक हो, कली को भौरा मुबारक हो। अंकल आपको हमारी तरफ से जन्मदिन मुबारक हो।
Happy birthday uncle. May you live many more healthy years. Stay blessed.
Happy birthday uncle.
Hello uncle, we would like to wish you a very happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday uncle. Uncle, we hope you have a great birthday and hope you enjoy it with the family.
Yes uncle, and we hope to see you in London soon. Hopefully on your next birthday you'll be here and we all can celebrate it together. Happy birthday uncle.
Happy birthday papa. Lakha lakha वादायूं तांखे।
Lakha वादायूं। May Babaji always bless you with lots of happiness and good health always.
ॾाढो मिस था कयूं तांखे। लॉकडाउन खुली ने त हरी अचो।
We miss you.
आज का दिन है बड़ा महान। आज के दिन एक फूल खिला है जिनसे महका सारा जहां, और वो फूल है आप जीजू। Happy birthday. Many, 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 many happy returns of the day, and I'm sure you will have many, many more. Have a blast and lovely birthday. आज का दिन है बड़ा महान, आज के दिन एक फूल खिला है जिनसे महका ये जहां। जय जीजू, जय जीजू। Happy birthday जीजू. Many, many, many happy returns of the day. And here is for you. Cheers.
birthday, Dada. Happy birthday, Papa. We love you so much.
हजारों साल साल के दिन हो 50